The International Monetary Fund has commended South Africa on its strengths. The IMF has noted the country's deep and liquid financial markets and a flexible exchange rate, which has helped insulate the economy from global shocks. But the fund has cautioned that SA's underlying growth and fiscal problems require an acceleration of structural reforms and action that is firmer than contemplated in February's budget. Former Steinhoff CEO Markus Jooste has died. Reports say that the mastermind behind South Africa's biggest fraud case fatally shot himself yesterday to avoid handing himself over for arrest. He would have then appeared in court today. His suicide also follows a move by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority to slap Jooste with a 475 million rand fine for misleading the market between 2014 and 2017. Telkom has sold its towers business. It's a consortium of equity investors led and managed by Actors has snapped up the asset for nearly 7 billion rand. These funds will go towards paying down the group's debt pile. CEO Telkom says the transaction marks a pivotal moment in Telkom's journey towards unlocking shareholder value and streamlining its focus on core business operations. ArcelorMittal South Africa has appointed Gavin Griffiths as the firm's CFO. He's held the position in an interim capacity since July last year, and so oversaw the preparation and announcement of both the group's interim and year-end financials. Before that, he was the company's chief strategy officer. AMSA says Griffiths has the necessary knowledge of the steel industry and the company, as well as the qualifications, expertise and experience to fulfill the role of CFO effectively. Bell Equipment has forecast a profit bump. The firm has forecast a jump in annual headline earnings per share of between 65 and 73%. This is higher than a previous prediction for a rise of 59%. The group says the improved performance is thanks to strong market conditions. Full details will be available when the company opens its books on the 28th of March. Gemfields' annual results are likely to be lackluster. The coloured gemstone supplier has warned of a dip into the red with an expected headline loss per share of 16 cents. The slide is largely due to a fair value write-down of $28 million of its shareholding in Sedibelo Resources, which is a South African platinum group metals mining company. The write-down reflects the reduced public market valuations for comparable PGM companies and the reduced operating and financial results for Sedibelo over the period. Well, that'll look at your news. After the break, we put the day's markets action into perspective. Stay watching.